Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the keyboard. Plug the USB-C cable into the keyboard and then into the PS5 front USB port and power the console on. Once done, the system usually detects standard HID keyboards automatically. This is because PS5 uses USB input classes rather than device-specific drivers. Make sure you have a spare cable or a powered hub if the keyboard draws a lot of power. This prevents intermittent disconnects and gives you a clean signal for the next setup steps. Once the keyboard is physically connected, go to Settings, then Accessories, and open the keyboard section so you can select Layout and Language. You do this because PS5 defaults may not match your keyboard layout. Adjusting repeat delay and key repeat rate prevents accidental repeats during gameplay. Make sure to test typing in a search or message box. If characters don't appear, switch to a different USB port or try the controller to navigate. Occasional port conflicts or cable faults are common mid-process hiccups. Finish by saving any layout or shortcut changes and then test the keyboard in chat, the web browser, and inside a game to confirm full functionality. This ensures macros or remaps behave as expected. If keys lag or stop responding, power cycling the console and reconnecting the cable often clears USB handshakes. Important troubleshooting tip. If the PS5 still won't accept the keyboard, try a powered USB hub or plug the keyboard into a PC. That will reveal whether the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.